with Selenium. Welcome back to H2 Kinfoses. Today we're getting started with Selenium, a powerful tool for automating web applications. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up Selenium and write your first test script. Let's get started. Setting up Selenium. First, install Selenium for Python using pip. Python. Pip install Selenium. Writing your first test script. Let's write a simple test script to automate a Google search. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.com and .keys import keys. Set up the WebDriver. Driver webdriver.chrome. Navigate to Google Driver. Get https://www.google.com. Locate the search box and enter a query. Search _box_driver.find_element_by_name qsearch_box.send_keys Selenium Python keys.return. Print the title of the search results page. Print driver.title. Close the browser. Driver.quit. Congratulations, you've written your first Selenium script. In the next video, we'll cover more advanced Selenium features. Subscribe and stay tuned. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more QA content. Leave your questions and comments below. Happy testing.